Alright, YouTube, we are back. Boxes 7 and 8. Upper Deck Premier Baseball. Pretty nice case so far. I know some teams still haven't hit. Try and accommodate everybody as best we can. Okay, fix that box later. Wow. I don't think they have, well, they have one card so far, but that'll be nice. Number the 99 Russell Martin for the Dodgers.
The NASCAR Nationwide Series at New Hampshire, Saturday at 2:30 Eastern on ABC. Telecast presented by CC's Pizza.
And for the Rockies, we got a rookie auto of Joe Kashansky, number to 299. After that, for the Yankees, quad jersey number to 50 of Reggie Jackson. Last box before this one had a Reggie Jackson dual patch auto. Now a quad jersey. Yankees have a very nice break so far. The patch goes to the Braves. 12 of 20, 2 color, 1 color, and 3 color with tons of breaks of John Smoltz. Premier stitching goes to the Rays of Delman Young, number 11 of 50. Second to last card goes to the Phillies, number 48 out of 50, quad jersey of Cole Hamels. I think that's the Phillies' first hit. And last card's very nice, I'm sure. Let's see what the front looks like. Oh yeah, haven't seen one of these. These are pretty rare autos. October 2 postseason premiere 1984. Ryan Sandberg autograph number to 25 for the Cubs. Very nice. Alright, box number 8. 3 boxes left. 3 boxes left.
They're not collecting kycards, don't worry. They're actually going to move this pick, Ty Lawson, to the Denver Nuggets for a future pick that Charlotte owes to the Nuggets. So Ty Lawson will not be staying with the Minnesota Timberwolves.
Ty Lawson will not be staying with the Timberwolves, according to Rick Baker. Guys, when you heard the commissioner say Ty Lawson, what's the first thing that ran through your mind? What's up this sleeve? Obviously, you talk about the Timberwolves.
Alright, we got a White Sox base of Mark Burley, number to 99.
So you knew something was going on.
Yeah, when I was with the Knicks, we drafted 3 forwards in the same draft: John Wallace, Walter McCarty, and Dante Jones. And in retrospect,
Rookie autos for the Nationals of Jonathan Albaladejo, number to 53. He has now been traded to the Yankees, so that's actually a pretty decent one to pull right there. If you have the Nats. And it's low number to 53. After that, we got a triple jersey for the Indians, number 21 of 33 of Travis Hafner, Victor Martinez, and Grady Sizemore.
Well, if they do trade away Ty Lawson, at least Coach Roy can say, hey, they traded away the guy that helped me win a national championship. Between the 3 guys they had, would you choose to trade Ty, J-Bills? You know, it's an eye of the beholder thing.
Wow, those are some sick patches for the Mets. I believe it's the first hit for the Mets. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors and 4 colors with stitching everywhere. Number 1 of 50 of Carlos Beltran.
He needs to become more disruptive on the defensive end in order to be the best player he can be at the next level. But he can change the pace of the game whenever he comes in. Well, if he does go to Denver, think about this. Ty Lawson, North Carolina guy, George Carl, another North Carolina guy. The Atlanta Hawks are on the clock. They went 47 and 34 last year.
Premier stitching is for the Twins of Joe Mauer, number to 75.
David Starr has the pick of an Atlanta Hawks franchise that a lot of people say has some of the best young talent, at least young athletic talent, in the entire Eastern Conference, and we saw that in the playoffs. Here's a commissioner.
Then we got a duel between the Marlins and the Nationals, number 12 of 50 of Miguel Cabrera and Ryan Zimmerman, dual jersey.
Jeff Teague from Wake Forest University.
Sick. White Sox. Who has White Sox? White Sox. Boxgrader. Quad jersey auto, number to 15 of Carlton Fisk.
Seen any defender that could consistently stay in front of him. He can score on anybody. He's got a scorer's mentality. He's good in the open floor. Very good in transition. An explosive athlete, again with a wingspan. Even though he's only about 6 feet, 6'1", he's got a wingspan of close to...
That is a great looking card right there. Alright, that is box 8. We got 2 boxes to go.